Oh man, I got a karma cup. Woohoo! And that's a place to stay.
What? I've got it on Dashcam.
Changes. Maybe your family has grown. Maybe your goals have changed. Maybe you'd like to lower your monthly payment or put yourself in a stronger financial position. American Financing does this, and they don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. They start by learning about your situation and your goals and whether refinancing makes sense for you. Their salary-based mortgage consultants are...
Holy.
Oh, not much
no.
one. He's not much one for following law, is he?
Oh,
man.
Dude.
That was weak.
That was sad.
He ran a very red light. That may be going up on the channel.
Current loop video is now locked.
Oh my god! Holy and they beep at me. I'm the one driving. You have the stop sign. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the
Fucking.
Oceans and eroded Earth's carrying capacity, and a strained but workable biosphere is the best realistic case here, and a badly degraded one is now also on the table. Second, these grids are not...
It's a
most American kind of food there is.
It's the stand that won over Bruce Craig's heart and his stomach. It's where he tried his first ever hot dog, and he still remembers it like this treasured childhood memory.
They have a counter, and I could barely see up. And I could smell the place now. The griddling hot dogs smell great. It's a warm summer day, sea air washing over everything. It was just an amazing...
Jesus, man. We're gonna watch and be like, oh, she's getting a ham pay. And I wasn't.
That guy's running.
He's running?
Yeah.
Really running?
Yeah, he's running.
Oh no.
How do I save this?
Really?
I hit that little thing.
He's running?
He's running.
Go behind and call, eh. I'm just kidding.
You feel my car bump?
Cookie store wants to help. I just had difficulty walking. I tried it on in the store and my foot felt so much better. Do you keep buying new shoes and inserts with...
Signed up with Luke Edwards, and I want to cancel my policy. Where the fuck is he going?
Where the fuck is he actually going?
What the? What? Oh, you caught that on Dashcam too?
What the f just happened?
No, he's giving. He's up to no good.
I swear to God, if you scumbag. Oh my God, he's gonna do it. Oh my God. He actually did it.
I can't get him off my mind. I swear I'm looking to his eyes. Just gets me hard not to love him. The way he pushing up is so appealing. Girl, I can't get him off my mind. I swear I'm looking to his eyes. Just gets me hard not to love him. I just wanna touch him. Hope I'm not rushing. It's just something that
So my dog is a rescue dog, and I will play the rescue card no matter the situation. He's 4.5 years old. I've had him for 4 years, and I'll still play the rescue card and apologise for his bad behaviour because he's the loosest unit in the park out of any dog in the whole.
left. Turn left at the traffic light.